Hey guys, finally today Samsung revealed the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra. One of the biggest upgrade, Galaxy S24 series, the phone offers you 7 years of security update and 7 generation of OS update. Galaxy S24 come with beautiful 4 color, black, grey, violet and yellow. The Galaxy S24 has a rounded corner and flat front. The back panel is flat too. And the smartphone built with Gorilla Glass Big Touch 2 on the front and back with aluminum frame, and Samsung is rendering two different processor variant of the phone. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus using Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for USA, South Korea and China, and all around the world is come with the Exynos 2400 SoC include India with 8 GB of RAM and 120 and 256 GB storage. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.1 with UFS 4.0. Samsung will equip the Galaxy S24 with a 6.2-inch AMOLED panel. It's a LTPO panel with a Full HD Plus resolution, and the other two models come with WQHD Plus display panel. However, the new phone will have a peak brightness 2600 nits, and the camera department, the phone comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel primary shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 12 megapixel selfie camera, and the phone powered by 4000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging and also support 15 watt wireless charging.
The Galaxy S24 series will be available for pre-order starting today. Pricing starts at $799, with the S24 Plus at $999 and S24 Ultra at $1,299.
So that's all about our video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.